I'll show you how to create a reel on Facebook. Reels are a great way to share fun, engaging, and short videos with your audience, and Facebook makes it simple to get started. Let's dive into the steps. Before we get into creating a reel, here's what you'll need. Make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed. Think of short, engaging video clips or photos you'd like to share, along with any creative text or effects. Let's go through the step-by-step process of making a reel on Facebook. Open the app on your smartphone and tap on the plus icon, usually located on the top or in the main menu. Select from the menu Reel. You can now use an old clip you did or record a new one. Let's record for our test a new video, so tap on Camera. Tap Allow if the app is asking for your camera or microphone. Tap the Record button to capture new footage directly through Facebook. You can tap and hold to record multiple clips in one go. After you record the video, you can edit your reel. Tap on the music icon to choose a song or sound. Facebook has a library of tracks to enhance your reel. Tap Text to add captions or descriptions. You can adjust the font style, size, and color. Enhance your video with filters, visual effects, or speed adjustments to make it stand out. After editing, tap Next to see what your reel will look like. Write a catchy caption and add relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Select if you want to add a poll, tag people, or add a location. When you're ready, tap Share Now. You can post your reel publicly, to friends, or to a specific audience based on your preferences. Here are some tips to make your Facebook Reels more engaging and shareable. Keep it short and interesting. Aim for around 15 to 30 seconds to hold viewers' attention. Use trending music and hashtags. Choose popular music and relevant hashtags to boost discoverability. Whether it's a tutorial, a quick message, or a fun moment, give your reel a beginning, middle, and end. Many people watch videos without sound, so captions can help get your message across. And there you have it. That's how you create a reel on Facebook. Reels are a fantastic way to connect with your audience and grow your presence. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more social media tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.